Hey there, Bikers Club. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're putting your motorcycle knowledge to the test with a fun and challenging quiz. Can you guess the motorcycle model just by its engine sound? We've got 20 sound clips ready for you. Let's see how many you can guess correctly. Here's how it works. We'll play a sound clip and you'll have 15 seconds to guess the motorcycle model. Keep track of your score and let us know how many you got right in the comments below. Are you ready? Let's get started. All right, here's the first one. Listen closely. If you guessed Harley-Davidson Fat Boy, you're correct. Great start. Let's move on to the next one. This one's a bit tricky. Can you guess it? That was the Ducati Panigale V4. How are you doing so far? Drop a comment below with your score and don't forget to hit that like button if you're enjoying the quiz. Here's the next one. Think you know it? That's the Yamaha YZF R1, a true powerhouse. Let's keep going. All right, what's this one? Any guesses? It's the Honda CBR 1000RR, a classic favorite. How about this one? Recognize it? That's the BMW S1000RR. How many have you gotten right so far? This one's a bit challenging. Any ideas? It's the Kawasaki Ninja H2. Did you get it right? Here comes another. Guess this sound. It's the Triumph Bonneville. Let's move on to the next. Recognize this one? That's the Suzuki Hayabusa. How many have you gotten right so far? Here's the next one. What do you think? It's the KTM 1290 Super Duke R. Keep going, we're halfway there. Try this one out. Any guesses? That's the Aprilia RSV4. How are you doing so far? Ready for the next one? Here it is. It's the Indian Scout. Let's see the next sound. This one's interesting. Do you know it? That's the Moto Guzzi V7. Did you get it right? All right, how about this one? It's the Royal Enfield Continental GT. Let's move to the next one. Here's another sound. Guess the model. That's the Victory Hammer S. How's your score now? Try this one. Recognize it? It's the Husqvarna Vitpilot 701. Almost there. All right, what's this one? It's the MV Agusta F4. Let's keep going. It's the Norton Commando 961. Just a few more to go. Do you know this one? That's the Benelli TNT 600, getting closer to the end. How about this one? It's the Bimota Tesi H2. One last sound to go. Here's the final sound. Make it count. That's the Confederate Hellcat. How many did you guess correctly? And that's all 20 sounds. How did you do? Did you manage to guess them all? Let us know in the comments and challenge your friends to beat your score. Remember to like this video, share it with your fellow bikers, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome motorcycle content. Until next time, ride safe and keep the rubber side down. See you in the next video.